guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Instagram. And you're here with Mavs Official!
Today we're going to talk about face shield, the use of a face shield like this one. So I have here this kind of face shield, and it says here direct splash protection, and there are some do's and don'ts on both sides, so you need to read through this before you assemble your own face shield. So I just want to read something. Please remove the outer protective film before using. Anti-scratch, strong acid-base resistance, high transparency, good anti-fog performance. It also says here protect full face from splash, saliva, dust, oil, and etc. It says on the other side, high definition PET film is used. I don't know PET stands for. And unique appearance design, better anti-splashing effect, full face protection, good protection effect. Wearing glasses can also use them directly. And soft pads for comfort and stability. And it has the assembly drawing of isolation protective mask. Okay.
Now, before we assemble this one, I just want to share something from what I researched, and this is from on how to use the PPE. And all we know, sa panahon nga natin ngayon dahil we have this pandemic, not just the health workers are wearing the PPE, but also as the normal people who are going out going outside from our house. So we also use like three-ply mask. We also have N95 and other nice products from 3M. We also have the goggles for eye protection. We also have the face shield, gloves, and etc. So, face shields, bakit ba natin kailangan ng face shield? So, I was also curious before kasi parang hindi naman siya for me na kinakailangan. Pero as time goes by, nalaman ko na in a short distance or proximity ng tao, pwede kang mahawahan by just hindi while you are using your mask, mas napoproteksyonan ka pa niya using the face shield. So it says here face protection. So we also need face protection. So face shields, or like this face shield, the purpose of this one is to protect our face, to protect our nose, our mouth, and eyes. So this also should cover forehead. So we have something here to cover our forehead, extend below chin, and wrap around side of face. Okay, so when skin protection in addition to mouth, nose, and eye protection is needed for desired, for example, when irrigating a wound or suctioning copious secretions, a face shield can be used as a substitute to wearing a mask or goggles. The face shield should cover the forehead, extend below the chin, and wrap around the side of the face. So, yun nga, sabi dito, para maging substitute, to substitute wearing a mask. Siyempre, sa panahon nga natin ngayon, nagdo-double ingat tayo, kaya nagsusot na rin tayo ng face shield ating mga mukha. At hindi lamang yung mga health workers, dental practitioners, kundi tayo din na mga lumalabas sa bahay natin ang nagsusuot ng face shield. Okay, so right now, i-assemble na natin ang ating face shield. So, it's inside this plastic. So, it has, again, assembly drawing. Here on the face shield. There you go. So, we're done. Now, it's time for us to put this on our head. So, make sure na i-adjust natin na maayos yung ating goggles so that magamit natin na maayos ang ating face shield. Just like this. So, make sure ikabit natin siya na maayos para habang naglalakad tayo, hindi siya matatanggal. Okay, so